Have you ever wondered why some brands attract people to them and some don't? Here's why. Now, most brands get it wrong. I mean, they don't really follow through on what their brand actually is and the thing that makes them different. But every once in a while, a brand comes along that gets it right. And I want to share one with you today. This is a company called Go Rascal. And if you haven't looked at this website before, although it's right in the headline, this is a mortgage company. So right there, right off the bat, they're bucking the naming trend with a lot of companies having the words guaranteed in the name or rate in the name or loan or home or something like that. They opted for something very different. So Go Rascal is a mortgage company, and you could see they're following through with being different by writing their logo up here in the left-hand corner. There's an icon of a dog with a red cap. That's cool. So what's that about? Well, most people would go, what does a dog have to do with mortgage company? That's dumb. That doesn't make sense. I'm going to confuse people. No, you're missing the point. Branding is differentiation. Being different is better. Okay, that is the thing that grabs your attention. So right here in the headline, I'm going to jump around, but we're going to point some things out. What makes this awesome? So right off the bat, the headline, a different breed of mortgage. So now we're looking at messaging and the words inside the messaging strategy of this. Breed, obviously tied into the dog world. We're dedicated to making the hunt for your mortgage, right? Making the hunting dog, get it? So this is what we're talking about. Keeping on brand with the messaging and the words we're using in the copy. Now they've chosen two colors. They have what seems to be like an off black. It's not a pure black, so it's off a little bit. And red being the accent color. Keeping it simple. Love it. Keep it simple. Now, the accent color is red. And so as we scroll down, the site is very simple, very clear. And we have something fun here. This is just fun. As we look at this animation, we got this cool picture of, this movie of Rover. He's got his head hanging out the window of the bug with the surfboard on top. That's just interesting and cool and fun, right? So fun makes people take notice. When your mind dwells on something for a longer period of time, all right, it's becoming effective. Going by all these houses. More in the words. Unleashing your independence, right? Unleashing, dog, you get it. A mortgage walk in the park. Look at it. Oh, check this out. Look at this. Even when you highlight the words, the accent color is their accent color. It's red. The highlight color is red. You don't see a lot of things like that because, by the way, it's the details that make the difference. And even though that may not mean anything to you, again, it's about a cohesion that reinforces the brand. So as we scroll down, a loyal companion, obviously, they're drawing the parallel between the loyal companion of a dog. And if you're a dog person, they are the most loyal animals for sure. And the parallel between them and the dog. So they're a loyal companion company. They're going to be with you and walk you through the mortgage experience. That's pretty amazing. They actually say it right here. You'll have an expert by your side and in your corner. Right? So they're following through in the messaging throughout the entire thing, keeping it simple, fun illustrations, fun animations. We got the dog's ball rolling by. You feel like, I kind of wish Rover was chasing after it. That would have been pretty cool. We got a testimonial. Good to have them sprinkled throughout. A savvy guide. Let's see. We look through the copy and we see, do they follow through? Okay, so nothing in here about dogs. So, they missed it there or chose not to there. But what I want to just say is, as we get to this thing, check this out. So right here in this copy, this is what I'm talking about. At the end of the day, we want your experience to be blue ribbon. Okay, blue ribbon is first prize. That's the prize for a dog show. Settling for anything less just isn't part of our pedigree. So they're following through on that. And most people will be like, well, what's the difference? Who really cares? That's what makes the difference between the generic, forgettable company and this company who has chosen to take every element of the brand and make it different, make it on brand so that it's reinforced in your brain. You'll always remember a company like Go Rascal. They'll always stick in. More testimonials, what our clients had to say. Good move, back to the animation. Again, they have this nice kind of buff cyan in the background, keeping it clean, keeping it pleasant. We're with you every step of the way. Loyal companion, going the distance. Cute illustrations here of some dogs hanging out. So this is just something I wanted to get across to you guys about keeping it cohesive in your brand, following through on it. Don't be afraid to be different, even if you think somebody's not going to get it. They don't have to get it. They just have to remember it. That's the key to building a strong brand. the cohesiveness of the differentiation that helps your brand stick in their brains. See you next time.